We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off here on Jones Field number 2 for qualification match number 58. All teams launching those artifacts and cycling through that ramp. On the far side of the red field is XLR8, who is doing their part, picking up from afar and launching from that far launch zone, joined by Nano Ninjas. Up close, we have Robo Knights, who has been cycling through and has stopped to earn those leave points, while on the red side up front is Brainstem.
3, 2, 1.
As we enter the driver control period, the blue team has a lead, and we will see if the Red Alliance can catch up. Going from afar and trying to find their aim is the Nano Ninjas, who is cycling through from that driver controlled zone, from the human player zone, but is struggling with that accuracy over there. Up close is Accelerate, who is picking up and going from that ramp, cycling through and doing what they do best. They're joined up close by their teammate, Brainstem, who is picking up as well. Not as quick with the cycle, but is still doing the same to help them catch up and earn that lead. We are within 10 points of each other for both alliances, as on the blue side, coming up close, we have the Nano Ninjas, who is doing their part. They are sharing the field. They stay in this near launch zone, while their teammate Robo Knights is staying at that far launch zone to remove as many collisions as possible and get as efficient as possible. We have some collisions with Accelerate pinning in the Robo Knights as they try to pick up those artifacts over there. The refs were not too happy with that one. Brainstem is still continuing to cycle through, going as fast as possible. They are now taking the lead with the Red Alliance in the lead as we enter the final 30 seconds of match play. All teams have figured out their accuracy as they are getting to be as efficient as possible to fill up those ramps. Blue team has a choice to make. Are they going to leave it full and go for overflow, or are they going to empty it? They have chosen to leave it full, while these teams are going to share those parking for the conclusion.
Scores for match 58 going up on the board. The Red Alliance takes the victory with a score of 274 to 230. That will solidify 22-3-12 into the number 2 spot with 5 ranking points.